Hi, Nature Ethan again. Hi, how's it going? It's me. We're at another place today, more nature. But this place is kind of dead. Here, look over here. You got just dead fields everywhere. Just nothing good. It's all bad. But I can see some pretty interesting things. You got a bunch of hay over there, just hay stacks for days. And yeah, this is just a bad time to be out because everything's dead. Pretty much everything is dead besides grass. You have to get really, you gotta get a view on grass. I've never seen that before. The trees are dead. They're like rotten. This grass is brown. That's not good. The tall grass is brown. Everything's dead besides me, which is kind of surprising considering what I've been through. Made it to the hay bales. You know, from far away, this thing does not look tall, but when you really get up close to it, just two stacks are about my size. So I guess we're not doing that, but on the right side, look at this. We got this huge machine thing. I've never heard of it before. I think it's called a John Deere. I don't know what that is, actually. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna be able to film more nature even if nature is dead. Like, everything here is dead, and it smells really bad, like cow poop, like a lot of cow poop, like not okay. I would die if I just got my hands on knees on the floor and just go right into the cow poop, which I kind of just did. So, love me. Oh my god. Holy shit. Look both ways before crossing the street, kids. There's a tractor, but I don't see anyone in it. I don't see anything going on. This is what they're doing. Huh? They're doing this shit? Taking down all the trees and shit? Wonder what's behind the wall. Okay, me and my assistant with the camera right now, we were gonna go behind that wall, but we figured that the area belonged to someone, so we came back over here. So we were previously over there, like on the other side. We just followed the path. And it seems that this path is only leading one way. And it's down to that house. Like the first house I've seen in like 7 years. I don't know where we're going. And I don't want to turn back. Because if we turn back, we're going to get lost again. Because I have no idea where we've been taking turns and stuff. I think we're actually lost. I think this is not going to end well. If we go down there, it's just the only way. I guess there's like a path through there, but I don't want to go there either. I feel like this is actually neighborhood, and we're breaking rules. So, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, what to think. I think we're just in a lot of trouble here. You know, I tell you that, I give you like an instruction video on how to eat this corn, but, it's all pretty dead. Like, this is red, and I think I might get poisoned from it, so I'm gonna put that down. There's a lot of it, just fields of dead corn, unedible. So, unless you're into that kind of shit, like a dead corn diet, this is not a place for you. It's not good at all. Actually, terrible. This poor corn is probably just trying to keep its family safe at night. Like, he had a wife and kids. This was his kid, but then they chopped his head off. It's pretty brutal, pretty sad. Who knew the story of a stalk of corn was so depressing? You know, actually, this could have been a maze. I think this was a corn maze. Now I know all the answers. Is that a road? I can hear machines clanking, and I see a fence. Did you hear that? Did you hear that shit? There's machines. I don't know where on earth we are, or if there's ever gonna be another human we see. I don't know what we're gonna do for the next episode. Like, we are just so lost, and I hear a machine. I hear a machine clanking around. I see more hay bales over there. Maybe we can find a human. Maybe, because I think this path leads over there anyway. Maybe it's the end. Maybe nature is over. I don't know what we can do anymore. This is okay. Sorry. Turn it off. Turn it off. Jerry, are you alive? Jerry, please. No. What is this? Who did it? What the fuck is this? There's just a dead tree. I think someone's like destroying nature, not just nature dying on its own. What is this? Like, is this like cocaine lines for giants? I don't even get it. Who the fuck would do this? There's like whole trees on the floor. And then like snapped off chunks of trunk. That rhymed. I'm glad. But I'm still sad though. This is not okay. 2 thumbs down. Would not request. It gets worse, okay? We were just over there near that hay. We found this area. So bad. This is terrible. There's so much dead stuff. This is literally gray. This is like just a huge field of gray dead stuff. And nature's dead. Nature is gonna die. And I don't think I can do anything about it. It's almost been a year. And I guess nature just wanted to kill itself because it's like, oh god, this guy's making a series about me. Yeah. This is not good. We kind of need nature to get them YouTube views, you know? Brush off that cash. Otherwise, I'm gonna be living under that bench again, which is not a great option. Hi, Nature Ethan again. Hi, how's it going? It's me. We're at another place today, more nature, but this place is kind of dead. Here, look over here. You got just dead fields everywhere. Just nothing good. Just it's all bad. But I can see some pretty interesting things. You got a bunch of hay over there, just hay stacks for days. Yeah, this is just a bad time to be out because everything's dead. Pretty much everything is dead besides grass. You have to get a bit on grass. I've never seen that before. The trees are dead. They're like rotten. This grass is brown. That's not good. The tall grass is brown. Everything's dead. Besides me. Which is kind of surprising considering what I've been through. Well, in the forest, look what we found. Some kind of net out to catch animals. Here. It looks like they escaped. There's a very large hole. Here, come over here. Look at this. There's an extremely worrisome hole ripped right through. So whatever animal was in there is now unleashed. So I'll be on the lookout for what is that? Do you see that? Do you see that thing? Is that a house? We seem to have found the core of the woods. The only part of the woods that are actually alive and well. You can hear those birds chirping, right? Magnificent. Nothing better than good old-fashioned nature. I think we found a little Indian village here. We got this whole thing for cooking. We got all these benches and stuff. There's a lot of stuff out here. We got all these little teepees against the wow, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, let me just tell you what this property is. That thing is for cooking meat. Hang some, clothes. Cooking clothes, yeah, that makes sense. Hang them up there and roast them at night. Here we got these feet, I guess. And whatever the hell that thing's for. And over here we got their supplies, all their sticks that they need to build stuff. We got that thing, I guess more supplies. And we got humongous. We got this humongous house here with all these like pieces of bark laying against it.